integration by parts. On top, that's the formula. Suppose we wanted to integrate x, ln of x dx by parts. Well, first you should make sure you can't do it by any other technique. According to the formula on top, we call part of this u and the rest of it dv. So we have to call something u and the rest we call dv. Okay? Now we look on the right side. Yeah, we know u because we already called something u, but we need v. Now, how do you get v? The answer is you integrate dv. So whatever we call dv, we have to integrate. Okay, so now we have v, but we need du. How do you get du? You take the differential of u. So what's in green, we're not going to be calling, we're not going to say, well, we're going to say u is this and dv is that, for example, maybe. We'll call part of it u and part of it dv. But whatever we call dv, we have to be able to integrate. And whatever we call u, we have to know the differential of. I do not know the integral of ln of x. Now, I'm not suggesting you rewrite it, but you can say, well, this is ln of x times x dx. That is, this is what I'm going to call u, because I know how to find the differential of it. And I'm going to call this dv, because I know how to integrate that. And let's do this. So u is ln of x, and dv is x dx. The integral of x dx, that's an easy one. It's x squared over 2. Sometimes you actually have to say plus some constant, like plus 11, to make it work really nicely. Otherwise, it'll be a disaster. But for 99% of these problems, don't worry about the constant. If this is u, well then du will just be dx over x. Okay, so now I'm ready to use the formula. U times v. U times v. Ln of x times x squared over 2. Now if I write times x squared over 2 here, some people might think I'm taking ln of that whole product. Whereas it's just x squared over 2 is being multiplied by ln of x. That is, let's just say the v first. V times u. V times u. Vx squared over 2. U is ln of x. Minus the integral of, according to the formula, v du. Minus this product, v du. X squared over 2 times dx over x. Well, the 2 on the bottom, I'll bring it out as a half. And x squared over x is just x. So all I have here is the integral of x dx. So my final answer is x squared ln of x over 2, this piece, minus a half of the integral x dx, which of course is x squared over 2, plus c. So maybe the final answer will be x squared ln of x over 2 minus x squared over 4. All I did was multiply the 2 by the 2 and the 1 by x squared.